Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com.
Now we going to discuss about the product combining Gabor filtering and classification dictionaries learnings for fingerprint enhancement. Now we going to discuss about the abstract for the process. This process is based on the security authentication system. Hence, to reduce the entering of an unauthorized person into the security circumstance, this paper has been developed. The biometrics are used for the authentication purpose. As it is a biometric process, the fingerprint biometrics can be used for this process. Hence, in this process, we have taken the fingerprint for the authentication due to the uniqueness of the fingerprints. The fingerprint image will be proceed, and after the matching of those images, the person will be authenticated, or otherwise the person will not be authenticated. So for the authentication purpose, we created some data sets and then the process will be done. Hence, to authenticate, here we extract the features by using the shift feature extraction. So the main purpose of the shift feature extraction is to take the edges and reach points of the fingerprints. After extracting the shift points, we just classify the features to detect whether the input is an authorized or unauthorized person. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram for the process. This is the overall flow structure for the process. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset is the folder which consists of the several input data images. After getting any one input image from the dataset, the pre-processing is carried out. In this pre-processing step, we have divided the pre-processing into two stages. First one is the patch extraction, and then the second one is the Gabor enhancement. Patch extraction is nothing but the splitting the input image into one small box. For example, if I get the input images, then I have to split the input image into 4, means the number of patches equal to 4. After the patch extraction, the Gabor filter is applied to enhance the image edges by using Gabor. After the pre-processing, the segmentation is carried out. In this segmentation part, we done the two type of segmentation. First one is the image binarization, then the second one is the morphological operation. Image binarization is nothing but getting the threshold value from the image and then applying into an image to convert the UNT8 into a binary format. After the binarization, the morphological is applied to extract the region of interest, that is the fingerprint region, and the other backgrounds will be eliminated. After the segmentation part, the feature extraction is done by use the shift feature extraction. Shift is the feature which is abbreviated as an scale invariant feature transform. After extracting the shift feature, the edge and ridge regions presented in the fingerprints are extracted. Then the classification is done by using the distance based classification. So in the classification step, the test feature, train feature and target will be used. Test feature is the feature which represents the feature of the input image. Then the train feature is the feature of the dataset images. After the target is the characteristic of the classification, that is the authentication or unauthentication. After the classification process, the performance is estimated by using the accuracy and then the error rate. Now we are going to discuss about the initial running procedure for the process. At first, open the MATLAB 2015 and change the current directory. If you want to execute the code, means just right click in the mainfile.m and select the option run. After running the main file, the dataset folder was opened. In that you can see the several fingerprint images presented here. Select any one fingerprint from the dataset, and now the selected images are undergone for the process. Now the process will be done automatically. It will take some time. Now the process of the feature extraction will be done. Now I will explain the results one by one. Now this is the figure 1, which shows the input image as I have selected from the dataset. After getting the input image from the dataset, the filtered image is shown in the figure 2 with the title filtered image. Filtering is the process to remove the noise present in the input image. After the noise removal, the enhanced image is shown in the figure 2. After the filtering, the patch extraction is done. Here the input image is splitted into 4 blocks, that is the 4 patches. The patch 1 result is shown in the subpart 1 with the title patch 1. Now the patch 2 result is shown in the subpart 2. Patch 3 result is shown in the subpart 3, and as well as the final patch 4 is shown in the subpart 4. After that, the segmented, that is the threshold segmentation result is shown in the figure 5 with the title threshold segmentation. After the threshold segmentation, the morphological segmentation is applied. Hence the morphological segmentation consists of the 6 steps, that is the inverted image, eroded image, dilated image, open, closed, and finally the segmentation result is shown in the subpart 6. After the morphological segmentation, the feature extraction is carried out. This is also the segmentation result, and then the feature is extracted by using the shift feature extraction method. Hence the shift points are plotted in the fingerprints. At last, finally, the classification result is shown in the message box. Now the classification result will be authenticated.
Thanks for watching this video.